Welcome to our subject mathematics, standard 8, chapter number 7, cubes and cube roots. Students, here is an introduction regarding this our lesson cube and cube roots. Isn't it? Here you can see the introduction is given. This is a story about one of India's great mathematicians, genius S. Ramanujan. Once another famous mathematician, Professor G.H. Hardy, came to visit him in a taxi whose number was 1729. Student, this is a very interesting story regarding a maths. Can find a maths as also stories? Yes, my student. Those who are very interested in mathematics, they can make it story. They are great story, great Ramanujan. Yes. While talking to Ramanujan, Hardy described this number a dull number. Ramanujan quickly pointed out the 1729 was indeed interesting. तो dull number नहीं है बेटा, तो interesting है. Ramanujan quickly find out something interesting thing. He said it is the smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. 1729 it's a 1728 plus 1. That's a 12 cube plus 1 cube. 1729 is equal to 1000 plus 729. That's a 1000 cube plus 9 cube. Yes, Hardy and Ramanujan were discussing about this one. Then they check out other number also, and it's a very good attractive story. Yes, 300 years before Ramanujan. Yes, Hardy Ramanujan number. So, know about Ramanujan? Yes, great mathematician of India. So, cube. Have you seen the cube picture, beta? Cube chale? Yes, these types of cube you are playing sometimes. Colorful. Here I am having this one playing. 3 dimension. First is showing first cube. Second time, two cubes all the side. Third picture is a 3 cubes all side. And it is showing always square. Yes, ice cube. Correct answer, beta. Correct answer. Perfect cube means all sides should be equal. So, 1. In second picture, how many cubes are there? 8 cubes make it exactly cubes. Not a cuboid. Yes, 3 are there. 27 cubes are there in third picture. Count it yourself and make it a small pieces. Yes, you are playing a small child also playing these types of games. Plastics cubes are given. So we can find out here cube of the numbers. Number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As we discussed in our squares lessons, square wise there means 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16 like that. 3 cubes. Cube means 3 times. Number multiply 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 like this. 4 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Correct? And complete it yourself up to 10. I will show you afterwards. See, here are the numbers 11 to 20. Can you see this one? Yes, we are even, so are our cubes. Even number का cubes even ही आएगा. Odd numbers का cubes odd ही आएगा. Be careful. Even or odd, forget. Even means whose unit digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Odd means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Clear? See the pictures also here. You are having. Check out some interesting pattern. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. 1, only 1 cube. 3 plus 5. 2 plus that is 8. 3 times 9 plus 7 plus 11, 27. 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19, 64. एक के बाद एक चलता गया, इसका क्यूब मिलता गया. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student, it is very clearly cubes and their prime factors. It's called the prime factorization. Prime numbers, it has exactly 2 factors only. Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, yes. 17, very good. 19, very good. 23, yes. Be careful about this one. So here it is shown by the prime factorization method. Only these numbers are coming in answer, not any other. Or you can use the ladder method. This already we did a number of times. ये ladder method बोलते हैं इसको बेटा. This is called the ladder method. Can you see this one? Or you can, we are doing like this a little bit outside also we can see. First check that even or odd number, even number. Divisibility test 2. Odd number third के लिए क्या बेटा? Sum of number. 4 के लिए क्या? Last 2 digits. 5 के लिए last digit should be 5 or 0. Isn't it? Correct. So we can say, remember, a raised to m into b raised to m. We can say a into b raised to m. Yes it? Yes. So here 729 and 216 cubes are given. 6 cube will give me a 216 and a 9 cubes will give me a, yes my dear students, 729. Is it or not? Yes, 3 and 3. 3 is a 9. 9 cubes will give me a this one. But 500 is not a perfect cube because it has only pair of 3. You have to take pair of 3. If 5 3 times it is there, but 2 is only 2 times. That means 500 is not a perfect cube. Yes, my dear student, example here, one number is 243. A perfect cube. How to do this one, beta? Yes, correct. Divide it, ladder method, or you can use the multiplication method, anyone. So this is not a perfect cube because only one pair you can find of 3 multiplication, same numbers. But second time it has only 2 times 3, 3. That's why it's not a perfect cube. Smallest multiple that is a perfect cube. Smallest multiple, yes. Raj made a cuboid of plastilines. Length, breadth and height of the cuboid are 15 cm, 30 cm and 15 cm respectively. Cuboid means, students, I want to show you these types of a, this is a cuboid. Can you see this one, red color, sharpener? This is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. Kitna ऊंचा है, बराबर है? Table का आप ले सकते हैं. You can take the table also. Yes, my dear students, I just gave the example, cuboid. Your lunch box also cuboid. And cube means all sides are equal. Anu asked, how many such cuboids will C need to make a perfect cube? कितने ऐसे बनाएंगे, एक के साथ ऊपर नीचे join करके बनाएंगे तो उसका cube बन जाएगा. Can you tell? Right side volume of cuboid is equal to multiply with all the numbers and find out the LCM. 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 5, 3 into 5. Now arrange in the same numbers. 2 into 3, 3, 3 multiply by 5, 5, 5. 2 and 3, 3, 3. Since there is only 1, 2 in the prime factorization, so we need 2 more. 2 into 2. That means 4 to make its perfect cube. Therefore, we need 4 such cuboids to make a cube. इतना है. इसके बाद इसको कितना चाहिए तो 4 बन जाएगा. इससे 4 लेंगे बेटा. 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, I am taking this 4. तो ये मेरा क्यूब बन गया बेटा. देखो, can you see? आप ऐसे भी कर सकते, क्यूब बन जाएगा. Clear? Example 2. Is 392 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied to get that, so that the product is perfect cube. Here we find out the prime factorizations. 7, 7 only one time is there. 1 is less, so multiply with 7, we can get a perfect cube. That's the answer is also here. 392 multiplied by 7, 2744 is a perfect cube. 2744. Yes, example number 4, 3. Here, which number we can divide? Divide means निकाल देने का. इधर 2 पेड़ है. 5, 3, 2, 4, 0. 53,240. Prime factorization 2 into 2 into 2. One pair is there. 11 into 11 into 11. Second pair is also there and 1, 5. It's needed actually 2 multiply by with 5. But we are saying, asking us dividing. Which number we have to remove? 5. So divide by 5. When we divide by 5, our answer will be here 10,648. Yes, my dear students, example number 4 is 1180 is a perfect cube, or what we can divide with this one that gets me a perfect cube. Yes, 2 times 2 2 and 1 time 11 we can remove it. 2 to the 4 4 and then after 11 44. 44 se divide kar do beta. Yes, it's a 27 and 27 is the cube of 3. Question number 5. Example number 5. Is 68,600 a perfect cube? Let's check it. Yes or no. Which is a perfect cube? Why? Because 5 we can remove it. 2 times 5, 5 is there. Is it or not? To make a perfect cube, we multiply with 5. Or remove 2 times 5, 25 will give me a perfect cube. That's why 3,43,000 is a perfect cube. Multiply with 5. 3 pairs are there. Can you check it here? Pair, students? 3 pair, 1 cube. Second pair, 1 cube. Cube means 3. Yes. Think and write. Exercise 7.1 are questions there. Cube roots. New thing is there, beta. Yes. Here is the symbol of cube root. The symbol of cube root is this one. Or inside you can write any number. See, it's a number is written. Cube root of 8 gives me a 2. Or 2 cubes is a 8. Vice versa. Yes, student here. See, statement is this one. Inference is this one. जो इसका आंसर होगा उसका क्यूब रूट ऐसा ही रहेगा. यस, क्यूब रूट थ्रू ए प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशंस. यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशंस we already just did. A into b raised to m together. Yes, 15s. Same way, example number 6, find the cube root of 8000. 8000 का क्यूब रूट निकालते बेटा. तो ऐसे नहीं निकलता बेटा, उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है आपको? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन we have to find out. Yes, it is very important things. So 2 into 2 into 5, that means give 20. 20 into 20 into 20, let's check it. 20 into 20, कितना आता बेटा? पहली बार 2 2s are 4 and 2 0 are there. Again 20. 2 4s are 8 and 3 0. Yes, 8000 correct. Next thing, 7 ones. Is it there? 24. Yes, cube root of a cube number. Step 1. कैसे find out करते बेटा? One group and second group. 3 का group लेने का बेटा. Yes, correct. Step 2, step 3. Example number 8. Find the cube root of 17,576 through estimate. बेटा estimate बताना है क्या? Find out perfectly नहीं चाहिए. जैसे अगले एग्जाम्पल में मैंने perfectly find out किया. 3 का ग्रुप बना के ले लिया था. 875 and 375. Yes, student. 375, which give one's place is a 5. So it required a cube root. 5 किसका रहेगा बेटा? 5 का रहेगा. That means a 5. So unit place is 5. Now 857, उसके लिए क्या करेंगे बेटा? 857 के लिए we know 9 cube is 729. At least you have to 20 cubes you have to remember. Yes, 10 cube is 1000. इसके बीच में आ रहा है. Nearby, our answer is tentative 8 or 9. Yes, so here we can say one's place is 5 and second one is a 9. Is it? So 7 to 9, 10th place required cube root, we can get 95. But estimated means not perfect exactly. Steps are there. 1 7 is one group and second right side से लिया था 3 group का. 6 is the last one. 6 किसका रहता है बेटा? There should be a 3 digit where 17 has only 1 2 digits से हो गया. 6 is only one's place. It's one's place. 6 का cube 6 ही रहता है. So one's place is already got 6. What about the 17? 17 किसके लिए चलेगा बेटा? 1 का क्यूब है 1, 2 का क्यूब है 8, 3 का क्यूब है 27 है. That means answer should be between 2 and 3. Is it or not? Among 2 and 3 is a true. The smaller number is a we can take out 2. So 2 and 6 is our nearby answer. Is it? 7.2 is got here. What we have discussed. We can check out the numbers in our screens. Ramanujan's and Hardy numbers are there. 3 numbers are there, 1729, 4104 and 13,832. Yes, my dear students, now I want to show you some more things which are very interesting regarding these cube roots, and you will get a new idea of cube and cube roots. Cubes are very interesting topics. You can get the idea, but whenever I want to show in some attractive, different way, you can learn very easily. Introductions means all the things we can discuss in our lesson. Introduction session this way, and exercise you can find out very easily. Let's check our new things is here. Cube roots. Can you see here cube roots, students? Yes. Cube roots means here it say how to cube a number. Yes. 3 cubes, colorful. That's I said in first time. कितने cubes लिए बेटा? You were playing these types of things. भी exactly cube दिखाई दे रहे हैं. छोटे-छोटे cube से बनाए. कितने काम कर सकते हैं बेटा? आप कर सकेंगे ऊपर से नीचे से? Yes, 27. 3 this side, 3 this side, 3 this side. Multiply. Have you constructed a house, shop, or anything? A mason is calculating the brick size and how many bricks are needed. A room size only it is showing. Yes, length, breadth, and height. This is called the length. This is called the breadth, and this is called the height. Is it? Yes. And multiply 3 into 3 into 3, 9 gives me a perfect cube. So 1 to 10 I already gave to homework. Maybe you return, but now the 1 to 10 cubes are on your screen. You just write down. I'm giving 1 minute to complete it. वन का क्यूब 1 रहता है, 2 का क्यूब 8 है, 3 का क्यूब 27. 1 डिस्कस इवन नंबर का इवन क्यूब आता है और ऑड का ऑड आता है. और एक चीज है, देखो 2 and 8. 2 का क्यूब है 8 और 8 का क्यूब है 512. वंस प्लेस चेकआउट करो. 3 and 7. 3 का क्यूब है 27 मीन 7 आता है और 7 के क्यूब में 3 आता है. 4 में 6 आता है, 6 में 4 आता है. मैचिंग होगा पेयर बेटा? यस. So from the cubes you can find out whose cube is this one. I can say. But you have to remember 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729 and 1000. See cube root symbol. Square symbol is same, but here we have to write 3 compulsory. If you are not writing 3, that means it is square. Just only you are giving this symbol which gives you a square. But when you are writing 3, now it becomes a cube root. That's a square root and cube root, the main difference. Only symbol, it's a square root. Square root. Is it? Yes. Cube root. Taking the cube root of a perfect cube will give you the dimension of the one edge of the cube. कोई भी एक साइड दे दो तो मिल जाएगा. उसका मिल गया 3 मीटर, 3 मीटर, 3 मीटर. Look at here. This is the special symbol that means cube root. It is the radical symbol used for square root also. With a little 3 to means cube root. Just I explained. This is a square root का symbol है, same symbol है, but ऊपर 3 लिख दिया है. उसमें 2 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो symbol है. Yes. This is the cube root of 27 is a 3 answer. Yes. Cube root. Vice versa. Inverse operations. इसका उल्टा उसका उल्टा. 27 का cube root होगा 3 और 3 का cubes होगा 27. Yes, my dear student. Just like a square root are the opposite of squaring a number, cube roots are the opposite of cubing a number. A cube root goes into the other direction. 64 का क्यूब रूट है 4 और 4 का क्यूब है 64, दोनों उल्टा पुल्टा रहेगा। क्लियर? यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट, करेक्ट। इनवर्स ऑपरेशन, उल्टा ऑपरेशन हो सकता है दोनों साइड के। सी स्क्वायर रूट्स एंड क्यूब्स 1 to 10 you should have to know. This is the first column is a squares, second है cubes, और you can take उल्टा also। स्क्वायर का आप ले सकते हैं 1 2 2 का 4 4 2 का स्क्वायर रूट का निकल दो बेटा तो स्क्वायर मिल जाएगा। क्यूब्स का भी आप देख सकते हैं आराम से, देखो बेटा। यस, विल यू राइट आउट और टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट्स? करेक्ट। $11, $12, up to 12 it is written. See, square roots, or you can remove the sign. It's a square, it will become a square. Yes, correct. Yes, how to write the cube? Very simple. This is a 4 cube, 4 raised to 3. स्क्वायर मीन्स 4 raised to 2। इसका कितना था बेटा? 4 4 जा 16 और 4 का क्यूब है बेटा 64। 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई, 4 into 4 2 टाइम्स, here 4 into 4 into 4 3 टाइम्स। 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64। Is it? Clear? Good. Now look at here, finding cube root using prime factorization. Prime numbers, once again I remind you, what are the prime numbers? It has only 2 factors. Good, very good answer. Smallest prime number is 2. Only even prime number is also 2. 3, 5, 7. Okay, very good answer. 8000 का आपको prime factorization निकालने का है। There are 2 methods, multiplication method and division method. As you can take any one. Now we have no time. We already did these steps of thinking 6th standard. You can do in rough work and find out. Here I already found 8000 का है बेटा आपके सामने 2 into 2 into 2, again 2 into 2 into 2, again 5 into 5 into 5. Make the 3 groups. 3 का पेयर बनाना है बेटा। Yes, 2 का 3 पेयर बन गया, दूसरा 2 का पेयर बन गया और 5 का 1 पेयर बन गया। Now take one time only and keep it the square root not but cube root symbol. See the main difference between here, only 8000 is not there, here a cube root of 8000. That means here इसमें से आपको एक ही 2 लेने का, इसमें से एक 2 लिया, इसमें से एक 5 ले लिया। So 2 2 जा 4, 4 5 जा 20, ये 20 का बन गया। Easy? Yes. Finding cube root using estimation. Good. Estimate. One lesson was there in 6th standard. पक्का नहीं, कच्चा। Exactly होना चाहिए। जैसे you had the test paper. Before test paper, you may be thinking about, I will get out of 20, 17 marks. Your estimation is there. After the exam result came over, you can find out you will get 15 marks. Okay, correct. Maybe you got 19 marks. It is also correct. But if you got 13 marks, that's your estimate is wrong. Far away. 13 and 17. कितना difference हो गया बेटा? 1-2 नंबर चलता है. हाँ? So estimation means जितना चाहिए इतना। Whenever you are going to paint your house, you are constructed your house, you are going to stitch your uniform. Now you need a clothes. Suppose you had the guest and you are preparing food. Estimation was also there. They will ask you, cook always ask you how many guests will come, 10, 15, 100. According to that they are preparing. Yes, my dear students, for here cubing root estimated, make the 3 numbers group together from the rightmost unit place, unit 10s and 100. एक ग्रुप बन गया बेटा, दूसरा ग्रुप दूसरा 3 नंबर का बनाने का स्टेप 1 दैट हो गया। सेकंड वन सी हियर 1 7 5 7 6, उसमें से उसने पहला नंबर ले लिया 5 7 6 का। दूसरा नंबर लिया 17, 2 नंबर चलते हैं, बाद में है नहीं तो कहां से लाएंगे, 2 ही है, कोई बात नहीं। टोटल 5 नंबर्स आर देयर, पहले 3 को पकड़ लिया, बाकी के कौन बचे बेटा, 2, नो प्रॉब्लम। नाउ फाइंडिंग द क्यूब रूट यूजिंग एस्टिमेशन। 576 का क्यूब रूट, पहले तो वो 6 है, तो 6 है तो उसका लास्ट डिजिट क्या होगा बेटा, 4 होना चाहिए और 6 होना चाहिए। क्या होना चाहिए बेटा, वंस प्लेस क्या आएगा बेटा, we will now take 6 as required cubes, 1 place required cube is 6, तो मिल गया बेटा। तो अभी एक क्या बच गया, yes, look at here, finding cube root using the estimation। now 17 is there, बराबर है, yes, take the 17 किसके बीच में आता है बेटा, कहाँ आता है, आपके पास 1 to 10 का क्यूब रूट माइंड में है, तो 2 का क्यूब है 8 और 3 का क्यूब है 27, 17 ये दोनों के बीच में आता है, तो इसमें से स्मॉलेस्ट कौन है, 2 है या 3, 2, तो आंसर आएगा 2 and 6 इज द आंसर। सो आंसर इज 26, एस्टिमेटेड है, परफेक्ट नहीं बेटा, क्लियर, समझ में आया, एस्टिमेटेड, हाँ बेटा, वंस अगेन, ओके लेट्स चेक। चलो, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर, 5, 1 7 5 7 6, राइट साइड 3 नंबर्स, ये वाला एक ग्रुप बना दो, आई पुट द अंडरलाइन हियर, देखो अंडरलाइन भी किया हुआ है, 3 का और इधर 2 ही है, 2 ले लो, बात खत्म। देखो पीछे 576, उसमें से ये डिजिट देखो 6 नंबर, 6 किसका आता है, देखो बेटा, आई जस्ट सेड बिफोर दैट नंबर ऑल्सो आई चेक आउट, किसका 6 आता है बेटा, कहाँ पे 6 है बेटा, इसका 6 है, तो ये आंसर क्या है बेटा, 6 है। 4 का 4 है, 7 का 3 है, 3 का 7 है, 8 का 2 है, 2 का 8 है, इज इट इट, यस। और 9 का सेम है, देखो 6 9 एग्जैक्टली सेम 1, इसके लिए कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है, 1 का 1 है, देखो 11 का 1 आता है लास्ट में, only 2 and 8, 3 and 7, so last number is 6, so मेरा 1 place become 6, देखो 6 बन गया मेरा रिक्वायर्ड क्यूब का, 2 नंबर में आंसर आएगा, चेक करेंगे बाद में, यस। नाउ व्हाट इज द लेफ्ट, 17, बट 17 विल लाइज बिटवीन 2 नंबर्स क्यूब्स, एनी 2 नंबर्स क्यूब्स, तो आपके पास दिमाग में रहना चाहिए, यस 2 का क्यूब है 8 और 3 का क्यूब है 27, इसके बीच में आता है, तो 2 and 3 है आपके पास, उसमें छोटा कौन है, 2 है, तो आंसर बन गया मेरा 26। चलो 26 का क्यूब देखते हैं मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता है, 26 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 26 करो, चलो कौन करेगा सबसे फास्ट, जो आंसर आए उसको अगेन, ये आंसर आ गया मेरा, उसको अगेन 26 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो आपको नियर बाय ये नंबर मिलेगा 17,576। चेक करना है आपको, कैलकुलेटर से कर लो या मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये तो इजी है बेटा, करके दिखाओ, चलो करके दिखाता हूँ आपके लिए ना, थोड़ा बोलेंगे 0, 6 2 जा 12, 2 2 जा 4 + 1 5, 5 20, 6 6 जा 36, 3 is the carry over, 6 जा 12 + 3 15, बेटा मिल गया 15, इधर आ गया 6, इधर आ गया 7, इधर आ गया 6, या वेरी गुड, 6 7 6 multiply by 26 equals 3 times, now 0, yes very good student, now 2 2 ja, yes 12, 14 + 1 15, 1 12 + 1 13, good beta, 6 6 is the 36, 3 is the carry over, now 6 7 ja 42 + 5 45, 4 is the carryover. 6 is the 36 plus 4, 40. Yes or no? Yes. So answer is 6, 7, 5, 7, 1. Perfect. Estimators, you got the perfect answer. This is a perfect cube root. Yes or no? See, इसका 26 रहेगा क्यूब रूट. कैसे लिखेंगे? Yes. So cube root of 17,576 is 26. This is the final answer. Okay. So here we end up our introduction sessions, both the way textbook way and our colorful way. And we will start our exercise in next sessions. Till there, bye bye. Take care.